Pakistan second ODI playing vs West Indies 2025 Pak vs Y second ODI playing 11 2025 Pak vs Y second ODI. It looks like a clip presenting the official playing sheet for Pakistan in the second ODI against the West Indies on August 10, 2025 in Teruba, Trinidad. Yojak Chinh Yojak Chinh Yojak Chinh. Pakistan's confirmed playing sheet second ODI. According to detailed match previews, the team Pakistan has named for the second ODI is: openers, Abdullah Shafiq, Sam Ayub. Middle order or all-rounders, Baba Azam, Muhammad Rizwan C or wicket-keeper Salman Ali Agha, Hassan Nawaz, Hussain Talat, Fahim Ashraf. Bowling attack, Shaheen Shah Afridi, Naseem Shah, Sufyan Mukim. Yojak Chinh Yojak Chinh Yojak Chinh. West Indies probable playing sheet. For context, the West Indies are expected to field: openers, Brandon King, Evan Lewis. Middle order or all-rounders, Kasi Kati, Shai Hope C or weak Shafane Rutherford, Roston Chase, Romario Shepherd. Bowlers, Gudakesh Motti, Jaden Seals, Shamar Joseph, Jediah Blades. Yojak Chinh Yojak Chinh Yojak Chinh. Match context and series status. Series: Pakistan leads the 3-match ODI series 1-0 after winning the first game. Match venue or timing: Brian Lara Stadium, Teruba, Trinidad. Match starts on August 10, 2025 at 7 p.m. IST. First ODI recap: Pakistan chased down 280, a standout 104-run unbeaten partnership for the 6th wicket between Hassan Nawaz 63 Tarankan and Hussain Talat 41 Tarankan sealed the victory. Yojak Chinh Yojak Chinh Yojak Chinh. Want to go further? Let me know if you'd like a side-by-side breakdown of both teams' player-by-player analysis, strengths, recent form, fantasy tips or key players to watch. Post-match analysis or result updates once the match concludes. Happy to dig deeper, just say the word.